This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you the quick way to fix a Google Sheets formula parse error involving dollar signs. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. We have a pretty basic spreadsheet here. You can see there's an error, a big fat error, and when I hover over it, it says formula parse error. And this formula parse error is caused by a dollar sign in the formula. You can see it right there. So basically what I'm trying to do is multiply cell B2 by the value $14.99, and it's completely choking. The reason is because of the dollar sign. Google does not parse dollar signs located in the formula because Google Sheets and also Excel, they use the dollar sign for static cell references. I'm not going to get into that right here, but basically the way to fix this error is to delete the dollar sign and then hit return. So this is the correct calculation, but then you need to do what you need to do then is basically format it as dollars. Just go to the toolbar up at the top here. Select Format as Currency. You can also go to Format, Number, Currency. Make sure it's selected as dollars, and it will show up. So now it is formatting B2 times $14.99, and then when you enter it, it basically sets it up as a dollar amount. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.